Hello and welcome. Victor here from Multifunction Crewe, and I'm delighted to show you around this used Volkswagen Tiguan 1.5 TSI Life. Finished in stylish blue and powered by 1.5-litre petrol engine delivering 150 PS. Paired with manual transmission, this Tiguan is perfect for daily commutes or longer road trips. The bold front end is enhanced with self-leveling LED headlights, chrome-trimmed front grille and LED daytime running lights. The 18-inch alloy wheels provide both visual flair and composed stable drive. Around the back you will find privacy glass for added privacy and sun protection, along with LED taillights and high-level third brake light for modern finish. With a wide opening and low-loading lip, the Tiguan's boot is designed for everyday convenience. Thanks to its split folding 40-20-40 rear seats and sliding bench, you can expand storage flexibly. Rear passengers benefit from excellent head and legroom, rear air vents and a sliding rear bench which adjusts for space or boot expansion. ISOFIX mountings are included on the outer seats and LED reading lights keep things well lit. Up front, comfort is paramount with height adjustable comfort seats featuring lumbar support. The dashboard features weave decorative inserts and thoughtful details. The multifunction leather trim steering wheel offers hands-on access to infotainment, cruise control and driver assistance systems. Ahead of you, the white illuminated multifunction computer keeps you informed with clear, customizable data. This vehicle is fitted with 3-zone electronic climate control, allowing individual temperature control, as well as the infotainment system, allowing you to enjoy crisp sound and multiple playback options via USB-C, Bluetooth and streaming thanks to App Connect, which keeps you linked to your phone, allowing safe access to music, messages and more. You also get voice control, allowing you to use simple voice commands to stay focused on the road, and Discover Media System navigation with internet-based updates, as well as vehicle info menu and park distance control, which includes front and rear sensors. This has been a presentation of the Volkswagen Tiguan 1.5 TSI Life. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.